I'm more confident to actually invest. I'm Jay, I'm a teacher.
I'm Kings. I'm also a teacher.
My goal is to actually earn more money because we have 4 children. We really want to actually go for traveling.
We hope to build our portfolio so enough for our kids to have their education and we can stay at home.
And retire early. I think the program is very clear. Cayden is a very good instructor. It's very clear, it's easy to understand. So we have really learned a lot from the course.
I think the community and the coaches are very nice. Whenever I don't know about certain thing in the lesson, he actually will come to us and teach us and tell how to go about it.
Before attending these 4 days courses, we have never invested. So we do not know anything about investing, but after the course, I find that I have more clarity as to what I'm learning, and I'm more confident to actually invest.
Definitely, I will recommend VIA to our friends as we are recommended by our friends also, and we have seen results from our friends.
And we also want all our friends to be rich and successful. Then we can travel together.
Yes.